on our space trivia quiz.
Before Artemis II, what was the last time we went to the moon? Apollo 17 was the last manned mission to the moon in 1972.
On average, how far away is the moon from the Earth? The moon is 250,000 miles away from the Earth. If you drive there with your car, it will take you 6 months non-stop.
How much fuel did the Artemis II rocket carry? The Artemis II carried 1.5 million pounds of fuel. That's 90% of its weight.
How long did the Artemis II mission last? It took the Artemis II 10 days to go around the moon and back to Earth.
How high above the Earth does the International Space Station orbit? The International Space Station orbits 250 miles above the Earth's surface. That's right above the atmosphere. If you could drive there, it would take you less than 4 hours.
How fast does the International Space Station orbit around the Earth? The International Space Station needs to go 17,000 miles per hour just to stay in orbit.
How many questions did you get right?
Are you a cadet? Are you a pilot?
A mission specialist or a commander? Let us know in the comments.
See ya next time!
I hope you enjoyed our video.
And don't forget to hit those like and subscribe buttons.
It only takes a second and it really helps us out.